Hello friend, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve a quiz which is related to some basic operation and contains some parentheses and all parentheses like round, curly bracket and square bracket. So we will see like how you can solve this expression and how you can get the answer, correct answer by solving any rule. So here we will apply the BODMAS and PEMDAS rules and we will see like which answer will be correct in the four answers. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this from my channel. Now let's start the topic. Before starting the topic, we have to revise like we have the PEMDAS and BODMAS method, and according to both methods, they are similar one, but the difference PEMDAS is using commonly used in the USA and the BODMAS commonly used in the UK. But both rules are same. Like you can see like PEMDAS for parentheses and B for brackets. So both have square, curly, and round bracket, round, curly, and square bracket. And if we talk about exponent or order, so we have the x squared or any root value. And here we have the multiplication, division, subtraction, and addition. So if you are going the left to right, so you have to follow this instruction. Like first you have to solve the parentheses, after that exponent, after that multiplication or division if it's come first in the left to right expression because they both have same precedence. Similarly for addition and subtraction. Now start the topic. Now we have this expression which has some brackets. So we see like which bracket we will solve first. Um, I'm going to write left to right. This we will go left to right in this expression and we will see which part we will solve first. As per bracket rule, we have to solve the this lowest bracket which is round bracket. So according to the rule, we have to solve this one first, as this one has, as if we talk about in the bracket, so we have to solve first square, sorry, rounded bracket, after that curly bracket, and after that square bracket. So if here we will solve the rounded bracket first. So in the rounded bracket, we have left to right. Now we will go again left to right and we will see like which will be solved first. So as per the rule, we will solve this multiplication first. 6 multiplied by 4. So now we will write 40 minus 120 minus curly bracket 14 minus rounded bracket 16 minus 6 for the 24. Right? And now again we will write minus 2. Right. Now if you are go again left to right, so we will solve first this expression. And in this expression we will solve this part first. This one, right? Because we have to see like which is two numbers are coming first. So 16 minus 24 is coming first. So we will solve this one first. 40 minus 120 minus curly bracket 14 minus, okay, 16 minus 24 is, now we will minus 24 from 16. And we have the plus sign with 16 and minus sign with the 24. So we will minus both of them. 16. We will take carry here. So 14 minus 6 is 8. And here we have 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So Because 24 has the minus sign, so we'll get the minus 8 here. Minus 8 minus 2, this one. And again, we will write the curly bracket and square bracket. Again, we will go left to right here. And again, we will solve this part first, right? So we will go 40 minus 120 minus curly bracket 14 minus minus means both will be plus, but the sign will be minus. So 8 minus 8 minus 10 is minus 2 is minus 10. And we will make the curly bracket and square bracket. And now we will move left to right and we will see like which will be solved first. So as per rule, we will solve this part first, right? And now we will see 40 minus square root 120 minus curly bracket 14 minus this one becomes plus and plus 10 curly bracket again square bracket. Again we will go left to right here, left to right here and check 40 minus 120 minus, and we will solve this part. So 14 plus 12, 10 is 24. Again, we will write square bracket here, right? Now we see like here we did a mistake, like little mistake. We have the 20 here and we write, 120. So we do not have 120 here in the expression. We have the 20 here, right? So here we did a mistake, typing mistake. So I'm sorry. Now we have to move forward left to right and we will see again 40 minus, and we will solve this expression first. So 20 minus 24, we get the answer is minus 4 here, right? So now we will solve this two expression. So 40 minus 4. So if we solve this expression, so here we have minus plus 40, and after that solving this expression we will get the answer is 40. So I hope you understand like how you can solve step by step and which step will be solved first, so that you can get the answer is correct, so that your answer is correct. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. And we will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.